Hello everyone, I am Rohini Thomre. Here in this video I will be going to explain you how to use Google Classroom. If you are having computer system or laptop, you can first log in with your Gmail account. This is what the preview of your Google account. Now here click on this Google app button. There are multiple different applications are available. Choose Classroom as a application. Now when you are going to click on this Classroom option, it will display screen like this. Now just click on plus button. It will display two options, join class and create class. Now if you want to join the class, you can click on join class button, or if you want to create class, just click on create class button. As a student, you have to join the class, so just click on join class button. It will ask for the class code. Now just ask for teacher for class code. So to join the class code, our code is IXVABQB, which is provided by the class teacher. There is also one method to join the Google Classroom. Whenever teacher send link, you just click on link. If you are having your Gmail account, you will automatically get added into that particular Google Classroom. Click on join button available here at the right top corner. When you are going to join with any classroom, it will display the three tabs. First stream, classwork, and then people. Also here it will display the three lines, main menu. When you are going to click on this menu, it will display the different classes, calendar, then different types of classroom to which you have enrolled. And there is also one setting button. But we're going to study how to use the Google Classroom and how to upload assignments on Google Classroom. So when you're going to click on stream classes, it will display whatever the information, quizzes, assignment posted by teacher, or what type of action you and your classmate is going to be perform on this classroom. Second one is classwork. When you are going to click on classwork tab, it will display all the different types of work assigned by your teacher. Your classwork may be the class material, it may be quizzes, it may be assignment. So different types of classwork teacher has given to student. You have to solve all the different types of classwork assigned by teacher. Under people tab, you will check the different classmates which are currently joined with the classroom. Now going back to classwork, here it will display the different types of material, quizzes, assignment posted by teacher. If you want to submit any assignment, quizzes, or if you want to check the material, for example, here I want to check the syllabus of Fundamental of ICT. It will display one file attached over here. Click on that particular file. It will display the content of your file. So likewise, you can check the material posted by teacher. The next, if you want to solve the assignment, click on View Assignment button. It will display the graphical user interface like this way. So it displays that this is the practical number 1 assignment and instruction is do, complete and submit. Now if you want to provide any class comment, you can provide here. Here is one section is available where you are going to add or you are going to create your work. So click on add or create button. You can provide the link, you can provide the Google Drive address, you can upload any type of file here, or you can create document, slides, sheets and drawing here by using the different applications of Google. For example, I want to upload the file, just click on file button. Here different options are available, whether you want to upload recent file or whether you want to upload the new files. If you want to upload information which is available on My Drive, you can also do it, or you can share the starred information also. So I want to upload the file which is available on my computer or in my mobile. I will just choose the upload option, then click on browse button. Whenever it is, I'll just want to upload this Excel training file. So I'll going to select that particular file, just click on open button. This file will going to be uploaded. Once complete, it is available over here. Now if you want to add or create another file, you can just click on add or create button. If you want to provide only single file, you now click on turn in button. So likewise, you can add multiple different files for a single assignment also. If you want to provide private comment, you can click over here. This private comment is only visible to your instructor faculty. Now click on turn in button. It will ask whether you want to turn in your work. Here it will display the summary that you have attached a single file. It will display the summary that you have attached a one file for practical number 1, and there are two buttons, cancel and turn in. You want to submit the work, click on turn in button. When you are going to click on turn in button, now it is visible for instructor for grading. So always remember that whenever you are going to upload your work or whenever you are going to complete your work, just click on turn in button. So this is what all about how you are going to use the Google Classroom. Now likewise, you are having quiz assignment, just click on view button, solve your assignment and click on mark as done option. Whenever you are going to click on mark as done option, now your teacher will just see as it's done. So this is all about how you are going to use the Google Classroom for any subject. Thanks for watching.